हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आफिया शेख एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं मेबेलिन वन ब्रांड मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल। लाइक फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू एंड मेरे फेस पे जितने भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स आप देख रहे हैं, ऑल ऑफ देम आर फ्रॉम मेबेलिन ब्रांड। और दैट हाइलाइटर दो, वाओ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं मैंने ये सॉफ्ट आईज, सॉफ्ट बट ग्लैम एंड बोल्ड लिप्स कैसे क्रिएट किया है, तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा। ऑल्सो मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सीरीज। सो इफ यू वांट टू नो कि वो क्या है और क्या होने वाला है उसमें, तो मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ओवर इंस्टाग्राम। मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन है और वहां पे मेरी कुछ पर्सनल अपडेट्स भी होती रहती है इंस्टाग्राम पे। सो मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ओवर देयर। एंड आप लोग नोटिस कर ही रहे होंगे कि मेरी आजकल की जो वीडियोज है वो टोटली आप लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट पे है। जो भी आपकी रिक्वेस्ट मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में मिलती है, मैं सबसे पहले उसको पूरा करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, बाद ही मैं कोई और वीडियो लेकर आती हूँ। तो अगर आप लोगों की भी कोई रिक्वेस्ट बाकी है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। I will definitely try to fulfill your wishes. And now let's get started.
Starting off with a well moisturized face, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, which is not my shade. It is slightly lighter for my skin tone, so I'm mixing a darker foundation and applying it all over my face. So the review of this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Fit Me concealer is up on my Instagram IGTV, so you can definitely check it out. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend this foundation, and this foundation never fails. Like seriously, it blends like butter and evenly gives you a medium to buildable full coverage. But here I am just applying one layer because I need only medium coverage. And don't forget to blend your neck also. And see, the foundation is very good. Now I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is the most favorite concealer of mine. You just have to twist it and apply it under your eyes. I'll be applying on my eyelid also as my eyeshadow base, on the centers of my face and right below where my contour is supposed to be. So this procedure is known as reverse contouring, and this concealer is in the shade 05 Sand Beige. And this gives you a very medium to buildable full coverage, and this shade is very highlighting shade for me. So here what I'm doing is I'm blending the face concealer first and letting the under eye concealer to stay for about a minute, so that in this way it will give me a full coverage. Like the concealer will get a little bit tacky, and by this way it will give me more coverage than usual. I'm taking a damp beauty blender and blending it all over. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Compact. Obviously all the products are from Maybelline brand. This compact has SPF 32 and PA++, which is a very good for day purpose. If you are going outside, you can definitely use this compact. I'm setting the places where I've applied concealer. If you have oily skin, you can definitely set your whole face. Now I'll be using this Maybelline Nudes palette, the Nudes palette. This is the OG palette of all times, and this comes with a brush which has a sponge tip applicator on one side and flat shader blood on the other side. Taking this grey, dark grey shade, I am filling my eyebrows with the angular brush. So this is a very multitasking eyeshadow palette. Like you can see in further video, I have used this palette in multiple ways, and which is very helpful. By the way, I am having a giveaway on my channel, my 100 subscribers giveaway. So I will be linking the video on the description box. You definitely check the video and do participate in the giveaway. I'm brushing my eyebrows with a brush so that the product is evenly distributed. Now I'm taking this light brown shade from the Nudes palette, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending the shade all over my crease. I have hooded eyes, so I need to blend the color a little bit above my crease so that the makeup is visible. But if you have normal eyelids, you can definitely blend the color onto your eyelids, onto your crease. So this is the way I'm blending the brown color. Next I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm taking the dark black shade, which is almost a charcoal black shade, and I'm placing it onto the outer corners of my eyes and blending it towards the inner corner of my eyes, like the way I'm showing in the video. So you can just follow the similar steps. Now I'm taking the blending brush, the previous one, and just blending both the colors together so there are no harsh lines. And I'm taking this champagne golden shade on my fingers and applying it all over my lid. This type of shades you should definitely apply with your fingers, or you should wet your brush before applying so that you get the maximum pigmentation out of it. Now I'm again taking the fluffy blending brush and blending the brown shade on my crease and my lower lash line to balance out the colors, and again taking the pencil brush with the black shade and smudging into my lower lash. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in the waterproof variant. Again, I have a full-fledged review of this product on my Instagram feed, so don't forget to follow me over there. The link is in the description box below. And this has a very unique wand, as you can see I've showed you in the video. And I'm just applying one coat of the mascara and it will give you nice volume and length at the same time. You can see the difference, and I love the mascara. Now I'm taking the same nudes palette and taking the same brown shade, and I'll be contouring / bronzing my face. So I'm just bronzing my face on the hollows of my cheek, on my jawline. And if you have a comparatively bigger forehead, you can definitely contour your forehead also, but mine is not that big, so I'm just dusting a little bit of product, that's it. Now pinching the same brush, I'm contouring my nose with the same brown shade, just like this. And for my blush, I'm taking this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 647 Dare to be Red. So it's not a proper red, it has a pink undertone to it, so I'm using it as a blush for today. And again, there is a review of this also on my YouTube channel, so you can definitely check out. The link is in the description box below. And this color was looking very beautiful as a blush. Now I'm taking the silvery shade and the champagne shade, mixing them together and using it as a highlight. And I was surprised, literally surprised by this combination, which was looking very pretty. You can see it is quite blinding highlighter sort of a effect, so you can definitely use shimmery shades, metallic shades for your highlighter if you do not have any highlighter. I'm applying on the highest points of my face, and this is how the shades are looking. I'm very impressed. Taking a small detailer brush, I am applying the highlighter on my inner corners and my brow bones also. For the lipstick, I was a bit confused between these three lipsticks, as the two of them are from the matte ink range and the one is from creamy matte range. So finally I decided to apply the Maybelline matte ink in the shade Ruler. The shades are also mentioned in the description box below. I really liked the applicator of this lipstick, and this lipstick stays on your lips for more than 6 to 8 hours. So definitely I loved the lipstick, and the shade was also very beautiful, going with my look. And here is my final finished look using all the Maybelline products. Let me know in the comment section below you like this video or not. If you have any video suggestions or requests, you can definitely let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.